What's the meaning of asphalt? Asphalt. Asphalt.
Asphalt. Asphalt. Asphalt refers to a sticky, black and highly viscous liquid or semi-solid form of petroleum. It is commonly used as a binding agent in road construction to create a smooth and durable surface for vehicles to travel upon. Asphalt is also used in the production of roofing shingles and waterproofing materials due to its weather-resistant properties. Once applied, it hardens into a sturdy and long-lasting surface that can withstand heavy traffic and harsh weather conditions. Overall, asphalt is a crucial material in modern infrastructure development and plays an important role in improving transportation and building safety.